Hi, doctor. My name is Ng Wai Kem, metric number 292354. Today, I'm going to present about the individual assignments with the topics of understanding the global food crisis through data analytics. The global food crisis refers to make sure all the people have access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food at all the time. However, in recent years, the COVID-19 pandemic and the Russia-Ukraine conflict have further intensified the situation by creating lots of uncertainty which leads to the food price rise dramatically. According to the FAO Global Food Price Index, from 2019 to 2024, the food price index has risen to 30%, pushing millions of people into hunger and poverty. The global food crisis has brought lots of challenge and questions to us. Here, we are using three types of analytic methods to provide the solutions. The three types of analytic methods, which is the descriptive analytics, the predictive analytics, and the prescriptive analytics. The descriptive analytics is to try understanding what was happened by analyzing past food productions and food price data. Based on the figure above, we can saw that the food productions having an obvious increment from 1960 to 2025. The world produced enough food to feed over 10 million people, which is beyond the current populations in global. About the food price index, some commodity groups such as sugar, vegetable oil, and dairy also having a notable increase of price. This is also one of the main factors leads to the food crisis, which is poverty and affordability. The World Bank estimates that it's a 10% rise in food price will push about the 10 million people into extreme poverty. Now we come to predictive analytics. The predictive analytics is to estimate future food storage and undernourishment problem. Based on our current data, we can saw that the food storage trend is going to be severe in the future due to the global food demand increasing by the population growth, the global food loss due to the poor storage, infrastructure gap widens, extreme weather events, and the food price volatility. This will also lead to the hunger and undernourishment problem become very severe together. After understanding the reason, now we try to propose a solution to cope with global food crisis. First and foremost, I think the food awareness event is the most crucial thing we're gonna do now to save the waste. Investing in infrastructure and food storage is also very crucial based on our previous reasoning. Implementing policy interventions and market stability measures such as incentive is also help to build up our local food safety. Lastly, promote sustainable and climate smart farming is also a very good measure. Here we come to conclusions. From data to actions, for hunger to hope, the future of foods lies in our human hands. Where awareness goes, where's full, and no one's going to be hungry again. Thank you.